Here's how you keep mosquitoes away naturally, and it only takes a few minutes to prepare. Take a clean glass container and pour in 500 milliliters of white vinegar. Now add 2 cinnamon sticks. As they steep, they release aromatic compounds that many people use to help discourage mosquitoes from lingering nearby. Next, pour in 100 milliliters of water. This helps dilute the mixture for easier spraying. Give everything a quick stir. Now transfer the mixture to a spray bottle. Let it sit for 1 week. This gives the cinnamon enough time to fully infuse the vinegar. Once it's ready, give the bottle a gentle shake before each use. Spray it around windows, doorways, patios, porches, and other places where mosquitoes tend to gather. You can also lightly spray it around outdoor seating areas before spending time outside. As the infusion releases its strong aroma, it creates an environment that many people use to help keep mosquitoes from hanging around those areas. Reapply whenever the scent starts to fade. If you found this tip helpful, save this video so you can come back to it later.